Good morning to everyone. This is Sania. I'm studying in 10th class in Brilliant Model School in Mancherial. Today we are going to do one of the important activities of the first lesson, nutrition. Generally, we know that about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which the plant makes its own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and nutrients. We know it generally. But in this activity, we are going to prove that sunlight is essential for the photosynthetic activity. Aim it is to prove that sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis. For this, we have to take one wide leaf. I am taking this leaf. So, operators required for this activity are black sheet paper, iodine solution, one scissor and one clip. First, take a potted plant and keep it under the dark room for 2 to 3 days. I kept this potted plant under the dark room for 2 to 3 days. Now, I kept this potted plant under the sunlight. When we keep this potted plant under the dark room for 2 to 3 days, then the starch present in the leaves is going to be absent in the leaves. Means the leaves doesn't prepare any starch because it is not getting any kind of sunlight. Now we are going to do that. Take a black sheet paper and a scissor and cut a design in the black sheet paper. I made this kind of design on the black sheet paper. You can do your wish design on the black sheet paper. Now take this black sheet paper and scissor. You cut a design on the black sheet paper. Now select a leaf which is wide one. I am selecting this leaf, and now I am going to keep this black sheet paper on the leaf with the help of this clip. In the presence of sunlight, you have to keep this black sheet paper and this leaf in the presence of sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. This leaf is under the presence of sunlight. Until that, we will learn something about the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which the plant prepares its own food with the help of water, nutrients, carbon dioxide and sunlight. What is meant by photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means to bring together. And now we are going to learn about the equation of photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 12H2O with light and chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. The time is completed. This leaf is under the sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Now we are going to cut this leaf with the help of a scissor. Now we are going to do iodine solution on this leaf. We took the leaf from the plant and now we are going to add some iodine solution on this leaf. Now I am going to remove this clip. I removed. Now I am going to pour some of the iodine solution on this leaf. We have to wait for a couple of minutes. Now we are going to remove this black sheet paper and we are going to observe what happens. We are going to observe that on the leaf where we poured the iodine solution, there it is in the blue and black color. It means these are the parts which are in the presence of sunlight, which took the light. Observation. The observation is the parts of the leaf which are in the presence of sunlight are turned its color into blue or black. And the result is that in this experiment we proved that the sunlight is essential for the photosynthetic activity. From this activity we are going to learn that sunlight is very essential. Without sunlight the leaf cannot prepare any kind of starch. If there is no starch, it cannot prepare any kind of food, any fruits or flowers. So we can learn that sunlight is essential for the photosynthetic activity. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
If you want like this important activities information, please subscribe my channel Mallesh Kirishetty. Thank you everybody.